Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the available classes on the GoBus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen and then click on the Classes option at the top. That's the third button. And then you should see all of the available classes that you can check out. So all you have to do is tapping on the relevant one that you are interested in, and you can see how this bus or how the class looks like. Here you can see the pictures attached at the top of the screen. So that's how you can check out the class options. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.